Hello students, in this video you will learn addition and subtraction of fractions and arranging fraction in descending order. Before we start with exercise, we will learn to convert mixed fraction into improper. For example, if we have 2 by 3, this 2 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is in fraction. How to convert this into improper? This 2 will multiply with this denominator 3 and the product what we got will be added with this 2. So we will see here 2 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. We will apply BODMAS rule. So we will multiply first. 2 into 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. So we got 8 by 3 is our improper fraction. Let's start with exercise 2.1. Question number 1, bit number 5. We had to add 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. If you will observe here, all the three denominators are different. We had to make it same. So we will find out LCM. So LCM is 10, 5, 2. So it will be divided by 2 first. So 2 5s are 10. So quotient we are writing here. 5 will be written as it is because it is not divisible by 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So quotient is 1. Now if you will observe here 5, 5, 1. So 5 is divisible by 5. So here I wrote 5. 5 divided by 5, 1 is the quotient. Here again 1 is the quotient and 1. We have to keep on doing this till you get 1 as in the last row. So if you will observe what we got LCM as, this 2 and this 5 will be multiplied. So 2 into 5, 10. Now our LCM is 10. So what we have to do with this 10? You had to make this 10, 5 and 2 as same denominator. So what I did, 7 by 10 plus 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 5. Why I multiplied by 2? Because 5 into 2 I will get 10 in denominator. Same case here, 2 into 5, 3 into 5. After multiplication what I got, 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10. We know the rule, denominators are not added, so 10 will be written as it is and numerator will be added. So 7 plus 4 plus 15. So what I got the answer, 26 by 10. Now 26 by 10 is divisible by 2. So after division what I got, 13 by 5. Now this I convert into mixed fraction. This we have learned in my previous video. So this is our final answer. Let's go with another example. Addition of two mixed fractions. If you will observe here, what is our first mixed fraction? 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Okay, now convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. We have learned this in starting of this video. So what I got, 3 into 2 plus 2. So what is the answer? 8. So 8 is written here and 3 is in the denominator. What is the next number? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 is in numerator and 2 is in denominator. Now if you will observe here, what is here? 3 and 2 denominators are different. So what we have to do first? Make the denominators same. Now again the rule is LCM method. So what we will go? Do LCM method. So here we have LCM 2 and 3. Again I divided 2 by 2. So what I got, remainder as quotient as 1 and 3 is written as it is because it is not divisible by 2. Now again I divided it by 3. So 1 is as it is and 3 ones are 3. So 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 will be multiplied and our answer is 6. So 6 is our LCM. So what I do here, 8 by 3 and 7 by 2. So 8 and 3 I multiplied by 2. Why? Because 3 into 2, 6 I will get. Same case here, 2 into 3, 6, and 7 will be also multiplied by 3. So 7 3s are 21 by 6 and 8 2s are 16 by 6. So denominator will be written as it is and numerator will be added. So after adding this, what I got? The answer as 37. Now again this is, I can convert this into mixed fraction. So after dividing it, what I got? 6, 1 by 6 is my answer. Let's go with exercise question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So what we have to find out? How much picture is to be trimmed. So what we will do? If you will observe here, the width of picture is given as 7 3 by 5 centimeter. The width of the frame is 7 3 by 10 centimeter. The picture to be trimmed, so we will find the difference. Difference is of what? Width of the picture minus width of the frame. Now this is again in mixed fraction. Convert this into improper fraction. So 7 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 7 into 10 plus 3 divided by 10. So after multiplication and addition, what I got? 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 3, 38, and 5 will be written as it is, minus 7 10s are 70, 70 plus 3, 73 divided by 10. Now again the way we have the rule for addition of fraction, same case. Here we have different denominators. So denominators has to be make same. So if you will see 5 and 10. So least number is 5. In the 5 table 10 is coming. So when it is coming, 5 2s are 10. So what I am writing here? 5 into 2, 38 into 2 minus 73 divided by 10. So what I got? 38 into 2, 76 minus 76 divided by 10 minus 73 divided by 10. After subtraction, what I got? 3 by 10 centimeter. So this picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Now students, we will learn to arrange fractions in descending order. This is again a textbook question. Question number 2. So what is our question? 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Now these fractions has to be arranged in descending order. So again denominators are different. So first find LCM, and after finding the LCM, then you have to make it as same denominator. So what is our LCM? 70. If you will observe, 1 by 5. Now instead of 5 in denominator, I want 70. So 5 into 14, and if you are doing multiplication of 14 with denominator, same case you have to do with numerator. So 1 into 14, so 14 divided by 70. 3 by 7, so 7 into 10, 3 into 10, so 3 into 10, 30 and 70. 7 by 10, so 10 has to be multiplied by 7, 7 into 7, 49 divided by 70. If you will observe here, all these numbers, these fractions are having same denominator as 70. So just focus on numerator. Which number is greater? 14, 30, 49. So 49 is greater. So 49 by 70 is greater. 30 by 70 is greater as compared to 14 by 70. So 49 by 70 is nothing but 7 by 10. 30 by 70 is nothing but 3 by 7. And 14 by 70 is nothing but 1 by 5. So when we will write down in descending order, so it will be, therefore descending order is 7 by 10, 3 by 7 and 1 by 5. Have a nice day, children.